curious about the prices to the units that we've shown to you. But before that, we will going to have a video podcast with Ma'am Kat. So, saan ba to nagsimula, Ma'am Kat? Kung kailan ba tayo nag-meet before, di ba?
Actually, sir, we've met during the pandemic, right?
Oo.
Yung time na sobrang hirap mag-tripping kasi walang mga public transportation na available pa during that time. And then, I believe parang na-tour ko kayo around some projects ni Century and even dun sa Azure South namin. Yung first Azure located banda in Naiya side of the airport sa Parañaque. So how was the sir, experience doon?
Ayun nga, na maganda. It was really a great experience. And then, mangyayari, yung nakita namin doon, it will come to materialize dito sa Pampanga.
Correct. Actually, with the success of Azure South kasi, the company decided to locate the second Azure here in San Fernando, Pampanga. Although yung dito sa Pampanga, it's a bigger and better version of Azure South. Kasi yung sa Azure South is 6 hectares, tas 9 residential towers. Dito naman sa Azure North, the whole development is 8 hectares. And then out of the 8 hectares, currently, what we've shown you earlier, wala pa sa 3 hectares yung nade-develop. So just imagine, parang Azure North, we have still 5 hectares for development with the property. And also, I just wanna mention na kaya rin kasi kumbaga nag-decide din yung company to locate the second Azure here in San Fernando, Pampanga kasi they've seen na San Fernando really has the potential or parang it has the components for a city to develop. Kasi, number one, yung access natin din sa airport, right, sir? Yung Clark International Airport. Tapos, of course, yung seaport din, medyo malapit din naman. Wherein, ang naiya kasi, wala na rin naman siyang parang space for expansion talaga. So, kumbaga, ang Clark Airport, once na ma-expand talaga siya, it will be 4 times bigger than that of, kumbaga, Naiya. So, you can accommodate a lot of, up to, I believe, 8 million passengers. So, yung ins and outs ng mga tao doon, for example, either they come here for leisure, for tourism, for business, or for whatever purpose. Day one pa lang nalalapag sila dito sa Pilipinas. They would need a place to stay na. So, parang dun yung, kumbaga, demand na nanggagaling sa residential market naman.